If you're a freelance copywriter or you're looking to get into copywriting, then keep watching because I need your help. So if you don't know me, my name is Brandon Story, and for the past 7 years, I've been a six-figure copywriter. For the past 2, 3 years, I've also coached over 1,000 copywriters on how to build a full-time income as well. And right now, I have a challenge going on that I need your help with. So if you don't know, I run a Skool community course, group coaching program, all in one called the Six Figure Copy Academy. And if you go to Skool right now and type in the word copywriting, we are ranked #1. Okay, so we rank above some of the biggest names in the space that I'm sure you've heard of if you've been in the copywriting world and learning for some time. My school ranks above 235 copywriting communities in the #1 spot. Okay, which I'm really grateful for. Super stoked on this. But this is my challenge. This is my goal right now. Skool recently revamped their discovery section, so they will now show trending communities on their homepage. Okay, so they have, out of 235 copywriting communities, mine's ranked #1. But Skool itself has over 200,000 total communities. My goal right now, my challenge, which I need your help with, and I'll show you how in a second, I need your help to get me on the homepage of Skool. So this is not easy to get there. This is one of the most challenging things because, like I said, there are 200,000 total communities on the platform. So these are the top dogs. Okay, this is very challenging to get here, but with the new system in place, like if you gain traction in your community, different things, people are engaging more, then they'll boost you and potentially get you onto that first page. So a few days ago, I set out this challenge to get you guys to help me get me onto the homepage. Right, that's my selfish goal. I'll tell you what's in it for you in a second. And when I started, I was about on the 4th or 5th trending page, and I realized, oh my goodness, like I have a chance to get there. So the next day, I found out I was on the 3rd page. Well, I look up this morning, boom, we're on page 2 of trending. You've probably seen this guy before, ranking above this guy, right? We're right here, right? Join the #1 ranked copywriting community on Skool, the Six Figure Copy Academy. So we're on page 2 right now. We're so close to getting onto Skool's homepage. How can you help me? So how can we do this? Join my Skool. Join my Skool. Normally it's $119 per month. I'm giving you a 7-day free trial right now to help me get on the first page. So this is the what's in it for you part, is you can skip over the $119 to get access into the community and into the course. If you want to stick around after and pay to be there because you have such a good time, that's up to you. You want to come in for 7 days, test it out, it's not for you, that's fine by me. But join today, you get in for free. This is for a limited time. It's only for the next 3 days. So click the link in bio, click the link in the description below, wherever you're watching this. Join the Academy today, get in there, help me reach my goal to get on Skool's homepage. So that's what's in it for me. That's my selfish goal. So what's in it for you? Well, let's click through to the Skool community. I'll show you mine and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you land on the page. Okay, it's going to say join the #1 ranked copywriting community on Skool. Like I said, we are ranked #1. When you type in the word copywriting into Skool, we come up first above 235 communities. So that should tell you a little bit about the value you're going to get by joining this today. So you're going to see here this big yellow start free trial button. Click the button, get in there. So what actually is the Six Figure Copy Academy? What's the whole point here? The whole point is this is how you're going to make 10K a month with copywriting. This is all based on my 7 years of experience making 6 figures per year, making over $800,000 in profit in the process, working with 7 and 8-figure brands as their copywriter, generating millions in results for them, and all the things that I have learned and am now teaching over 1,000 students. I've had 1,000 people pay me money to teach them copywriting. So in the Academy, what do you actually get? Well, I'll just show you. Okay, we got real results here. We got people winning, landing clients. This is for freelance copywriters. You know, if you're a business owner and you want to up your copywriting game as well, absolutely join. If you want to learn AI copywriting, but the main thing here is for freelance copywriters. What do you actually get on the inside? Okay, and like I said, this is normally $119 per month. You get it for free today. That's to help me out to get on the homepage. I'm giving you a free trial for 7 days to get inside. So what do you actually get? Well, the baseline revolves around the classroom, which is the 6-figure copywriter course. Inside here, you're going to get absolutely everything you need to learn copywriting from scratch. Even if you're a beginner, even if you have no background in copywriting, you don't even know what the word copywriting is, you're going to get in here. I have over 70 videos, lessons, assignments, exercises, checklists, consumer psychology, copy frameworks, how to write an email, how to write a sales page, how to pick your niche and specialty as a freelance copywriter, all the things in there. That's just phase one. That'll take you can go through that as fast as you want, but I have a daily roadmap of literally day one, work on this, day two, work on this. It's really, really easy to follow. In phase two, once you've done phase one, we're going to get into landing clients mode. So as a freelance copywriter, I'm going to show you exactly how to land clients. You're going to get free access to Snipe Kit, which is my brand new software tool to find and outreach to these clients. Right, you're going to get access to Snipe Kit here. You're going to figure out how to find these rich clients, how to find $1,000 to $5,000 retainer clients, how to actually turn your social media into a client magnet, how to use my sniper bump system, which is getting my average student a paid client within 30 days with just 1 outreach per day, right? 1 outreach per day on warm social media to land a client in 30 days. Okay, how to follow up with a prospect, how to handle DM objections, how to crush a sales call, how to price your services, checklists, templates, scripts, everything you need all in here to build your business up and to land clients, how to serve those clients, how to scale to 6 figures per year. You get all these bonuses, copy cheat sheet packs with headline templates. You get AI copywriter bundles. You got free AI copywriting prompts, how to create lead magnets with AI, all the AI stuff, right? I am absolutely pro AI copy. There is a right way and a wrong way to do that, by the way. I'm going to teach you how to do that. We got an email course, all things. Okay, this is just the course aspect, right? We got tons of stuff in here. This is just the course. Inside, we got the community. We got people winning. Look at these people who are landing clients. We got Kevin just made his first 10K month. This is 13 days ago. Nathaniel just landed his first client 5 days ago. We got people, potential retainer clients for Kimberly. We got a new client for Blair right there. We got another new client for Blair right there. We got tons of people who are landing clients every single month. Okay, here's last month. This is May. This is all the people who landed clients, all the money they're making. Very transparent. Nothing's hidden. I think part of the reason why we're number one in Skool's ranking system is because we actually get people results. I'm not sitting here just twiddling my thumbs and hoping for the best. Like, we're here to win. And if you want to join this community and be a winner and actually make money with copywriting, then get in here, because we're not here to mess around and just have fun and hang out, even though that's what we do too. The main thing is here is to actually build you a business that brings you the life of your dreams, more freedom, more autonomy, more money, more flexibility to work from your laptop anywhere in the world, right? Found out Skool is running ads for the academy, which is pretty sweet. On their dime, they're spending the money running ads to this community. So that doesn't tell you anything. We got other people landing clients here as well. So tons of wins going on, right? Inside, you can ask any questions as you're going through the course. Like, look how this community is so active. This is also another reason why it's number one, right? So active, people asking questions, accountability, extra bonus tips and tricks, how to handle objections, don't take no for an answer, first day, people joining, takeaways, things like that. What else we got? We got copy feedback. Every single week, you can submit copy for feedback. I will review every single person in here's writing one by one every single week. So you can see me submitting copy feedback to people here. Loom videos breaking it down. So every single person gets direct feedback from me, not some outsourced coaching thing where you never meet the guru and all these things. No, I'm right here here answering every single question every single day, doing all your writing feedback every single week. We also have group coaching calls every single Tuesday, and we record the calls. So you can see here, here's the call, here's the recording. If you can't make the call, you got the recording. Okay, if you can't make the call, here's the recording. But you can get live help in real time every single week with me. And you'll hear from other people and learn from other people what's going on, what's working with them. There's many people already making a full-time income in the academy who are here to also give you advice and help you out. So if you want to be around people who are, just starting and ready to grow, people who are already getting a little bit of traction, people who already have a full-time income, and somebody who's been doing this for 7 years, made over $800,000 in the process, and has landed to dozens and dozens of clients working for 7 and 8 figure brands, and you actually want a proven path to do this, then get in here, right? We got tons of other stuff. We got a daily copy job board. I just send you the best, the best opportunities every single day inside the academy, like brand new jobs you can pitch, clients you can land, things like that. So get in now. Like I said, this is what it's going to look like. Click the link in bio, click the link in the description wherever you're watching this. When you click that link, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. Click the start free trial button. Normally it's $119 just to get in. Right now, you can get in for free for 7 days. If you want to stick around after, that's up to you. If you want to just come in for the week, that's fine too. But either way, join. This helps you, but this also helps me. This is my selfish goal. I want to get to Skool's homepage. So help me get there. We're on page 2 here. So I think we might have just moved up a little bit. I'm not too sure, but we're there. So help me get onto page one. Join the academy today. It's absolutely free for 7 days. So get in there and I'll see you on the inside. Peace.